Kagiwa does offensively.
At saka nakakahawa kasi, di ba? Yung kanyang intensity. And of course, he feeds off the crowd. So, mabigat yung kung sakasakali man makabalik ka agad at makapaglaro ka agad si Mark Kagiwa. John Dan Salvador looking for some opening here. Rafi Rivas with the nothing going for Barangay Ginebra here. Nothing working for them. Jardy Larong, his pass deflected and picked up by Rafi Rivas. Last few seconds of the game, Holper still trying from the outside. Barangay Ginebra not getting too many to fall.
Not getting much. 3 out of 19 mula sa 3-point region, shooting less than 33% from the field. I think that's been the problem for them this year. They're second to the worst in terms of field goal shooting, and it's not something that you'd like to see with Barangay Ginebra. But without your stars, minsan yung mga players mo are forced to create when they're not really the guys that you want to create the shots.
And he sends Ardy Larong to the line. Ang layo ng pinanggalingan ni Ardy. He took the Larong and Winding Road. Ay, nako. Naaliw ko lang ko sarili ko.
16 seconds na lang.
hindi pa natiis.
Kung ikaw si Coach Chong, you have to look at the positives. At least, in terms of scoring, you did not do very well against Barangay Ginebra. But in terms of rebounding, you're the only team that has been this close in terms of rebounding against Pure Foods.
Robert Sanz gets the last word in this game to really sock it to the Barangay Ginebra GN Kings. At Guagipo, Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants picking up their 5th straight win